18, passionate and dedicated. He started in support, answering tickets, helping traders. And then he started trading. And he got good, really good. But then after 3 strong months, he left the team to go full-time. What happened next? That's where the real lesson lives. This is story of Vojtech, one of the youngest traders ever funded by HyroTrader. He worked inside our company, he helped our traders, and eventually he became one of them. He won our competition, he got funded, he grew fast, and then he made decision I've seen too many young traders make. Vojtech joined us on the support team, no formal background in trading. He had something better, hunger. He wasn't just answering support tickets. He was absorbing everything, watching charts, asking questions, staying late on Discord. He learned from David, our senior trader, studied risk with Romana, practiced every day, tracked his result and built discipline most beginners skip. And then it happened. Vojtech entered our internal crypto trading competition and he won. Not by luck, by preparation. He beat out seasoned traders, managerists, control emotion, execute clean trades. We funded him and he earned it. And in next 3 months, he delivered. Consistent growth, solid risk to reward, a funded trader in full flow. And then, just like that, he made the jump. Vojtech left the HyroTrader support team, told us he wanted to go full-time trading, to focus completely only on trading. And listen, I respected the decision, I don't have problem with it. It takes guts to chase your dreams. But I was nervous, because I've seen the pattern. A few good months, the confidence grows. But the market doesn't care about your confidence. The market shifted, the clean setups were not showing, and he hit few losses. And now trading wasn't that exciting. It was stressful, isolating and unpredictable. He wasn't just managing funded accounts anymore. He was trying to pay rent, cover expenses, with charts that suddenly were not cooperating. If you are a young trader, listen closely. Don't quit your job after 3 good trades or 3 good months. Don't abandon stable path after few wins. Trading will humble you. It's a long game, not a fast track. You need to have emotional readiness, financial stability and market-tested experience, not just short momentum. Vojtech is still growing and still rebuilding, and we are still proud of him, because coming back after a loss, that's a real strength. So if you are watching this, thinking about going full-time, slow down. Build your system, build your savings, build your mind. And when you are truly ready, we will be here to fund you.